How to turn off use data to customize my Discord experience on Discord application, of course. Hello guys, how are you? How was your day going? Today I will teach you and show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end, but make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. After this, guys, when Discord is opening, we just go down here and open your profile like this. And then when it's opening, you will go to privacy and safety. Then you will have a list, and this list is long. You will just go down. You will go to an optional name, use data to customize my Discord experience. As you see, it's activated. I will activate it by clicking here on this icon here, and now click yes, I'm sure, and that's it. It will work with me. So we are in the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next